Mutton biryani always, get nice tender pink color kind of meat, especially if it is a baby lamb, it is better for this. So I'm not going to add the papaya paste, I'm just going to squeeze in the juices of the papaya, add ginger garlic paste, some chili powder, some garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, add salt and mix all of this. For making the mutton biryani, it is always better to marinate at least 6 hours, then you get the perfect biryani. But even 2 hours of marinating with papaya paste will be good. So tomorrow we're going to add the curd and rest of the ingredients. For a good mutton biryani, we need Qubani ka meeta, and only then it is complete. Qubani means basically dried apricots, and this dried Qubani we soak it in the water. After soaking in the water, they'll slightly swell up. So get the seed from it and remove this badam. Bring this to a nice boil, add some sugar, let this cook till the Qubani is kind of melt. This would be incomplete without a little bit of custard. Take the custard powder, you can add milk or water and mix it well without lumps. Bring the milk to boil, add sugar, add the custard. So on a slow flame, keep cooking till this is nice soft. The custard is nice and smooth, the Qubani is shiny, beautiful. When I'm cooking mutton biryani, I have to take it for my parents also. They live close by. And if your parents are senior citizens, you have to find a way to get the vegetables, everything for them. And if possible, if you can cook some great food for them, that's what I do once in a while. So here is the mutton which I marinated. So I added the papaya paste so that the meat is nice and tender. In this, add ginger garlic paste and the other masalas which I added, you have seen. Look at the mutton, nice, perfect. In this, add green chilli. In this, we're going to add yogurt, mint, cut the mint and add to this. Some coriander, brown onion. See, this brown onion is what gives great sweet flavor for this. In this, the same oil what we fried the brown onions in, and this will give the extreme flavor. You need to add oil in this so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Add some lemon juice, and of course you need to add some more salt to this. Mix all of this, and I like it a little bit spicy, so I'm going to add a little more of chili powder just to suit my taste. Your mutton will come out excellent. And when you put the meat, look at the nalli meat, this is what the Queen Victoria loves. And make sure that you add the right amount of salt, the spicy enough for you. And since it is nice and tender, your biryani, the meat pieces will melt in your mouth when you cook it right. Now this is the bed of mutton. For 1.5 kg mutton, you use 1 kg rice. I'll say it the other way. For 1 kg of rice, you use 1.5 kg of mutton to get enough meat. So you need to know how to make this bed of love, literally. When you know it, everybody is going to be happy. And here is the water which is boiling, and in this we're going to add oil, okay, and another most important ingredient, salt. So now add rice to this and cook the rice. The first layer will be around 60% done. The next layer will be around 75% done. You can flavor this water with whole spices and shahjeera. For the mutton biryani, the first layer has to be cooked just 60%. Okay, so look at this. On top of the raw meat, a lot of you have been saying, oh, the meat is not cooked. Yes, even mutton, on the bed of raw meat, we are going to put the rice and sprinkle the rice. Look at that. Let the other rice cook a little more. On top of this, we are going to add some mint, some coriander, and very importantly, some brown onion. And also, very little of ghee, 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee. You wait for another 1 minute, not more than that. The rice will be cooked further. So, take that rice and add on top. So, here we are going to use some saffron water, and also I am going to add a little bit of rose water. For the mutton, we prefer kevada water and rose water. some coriander, and a little bit of ghee. Now I'm not going to put the dough or anything. I'm just going to put the weight of this leftover water on top. The high flame for the first 10 minutes, then medium, then low. Total around 40-45 minutes. The Qubani and the custard here, and okay, just bring the meat up, and the rice has to be shiny and literally, fall off the meat. So here is a nice awesome mutton biryani with the mutton pieces, and also later we have the Qubani kamita and some salad, raita, and boiled egg and salan, everything here. So look at it, nice, perfect. The Qubani kamita. This is what is for lunch. I was so excited about the biryani and Qubani kamita. I forgot to put the audio, and I was doing blah blah. So you can imagine, when there is such a good food, everything else can go wrong. So just keep eating great food and enjoy.